Actually, I learned about it. Someone hacked my account on some website, posted it. I had no idea what it was, so I clicked on it. I was on vacation, and I clicked on it, and my mom was standing right next to me. I was like, delete it, Mom, delete it, Mom, delete it, Mom. Yeah. Then I went into middle school. All the guys were gross. Totally.